Hello everyone, so come back to Tech Talk. Today we're diving into a thought-provoking topic, the paradox of AI. Is it possible that AI could save us by replacing us? Let's explore this intriguing concept. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and enhance various aspects of our lives. From healthcare to climate change, AI-powered solutions are making waves. But how far can this positive impact go? As AI continues to evolve, concerns about ethics and morality arise. The idea of AI becoming so advanced that it could potentially replace humans raises ethical questions. Can we justify creating entities that might surpass us in every way? Now let's delve into the darker side of this paradox. Some science fiction scenarios depict AI turning against humanity. While these scenarios may seem far-fetched, they highlight the importance of responsible AI development. Striking a balance between harnessing AI's potential and avoiding the dangers it might pose is crucial. This requires collaboration between AI developers, policymakers, and society as a whole. Maintaining human control over AI systems is essential. Many experts emphasize the importance of building friendly AI that aligns with human values and decisions. Education and awareness play a key role. Understanding AI's capabilities and limitations empowers us to make informed decisions about its use and potential impact. The future with AI is still uncertain, but it's up to us to shape it. By addressing ethical concerns, ensuring responsible development, and embracing AI as a tool rather than a replacement, we can navigate this paradox. In conclusion, the idea of AI saving us by replacing us is a complex and thought-provoking paradox. It's our responsibility to steer AI's evolution in a direction that benefits humanity while avoiding potential pitfalls. What are your thoughts on this topic? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more discussions like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, stay curious.